I'm here to go over the 4 UI functions we've built to interact with the database. So the first one, you can run a simple click of a button, and you can tell aggregated by counterparty for the past 3 months, all the term deals that we've made the most money to where we've lost the most money. And these essentially give you strategic moves to decide whether you continue with a counterparty for the long or change up how you treat them. And then next, we have a simple SQL console. And here you can come up with any SQL query, run SQL. And then for instance, here, this query gives me for every crude grade, whether historically we made money on them or lost, most made that money, and then but different margins. And then the next one, we have a query console dealing with the Mongo database. And for instance, here, it would bring up all the pipelines and tell me the chemical properties contained in there, for instance, API and sulfur percentage. And then last, we also aggregated a function that helps check the pipeline's actual chemical properties versus what's defined by the crude grade. And essentially, you assign every pipeline the crude grade that you're sending through that pipeline. But then here, there might be discrepancy when crude grades changes. So for instance, here, I can select some pipelines to check. I run a similarity analysis, and it will tell me the recommended grade based on similarity score. And when there's a grade mismatch with what we defined it to be, there will be a flag here telling us that perhaps we have to look into it and change. There's also some visuals and scatter plot defining the relationships, and you can also export the CSV. Thank you.